Man, totally lucked out. I went out to cut down a small standing dead, and this guy was already laying on the ground. As you can see, it sheared off. Hopefully you can see that on camera. So I've even got kindling. This part was up in the air, and the tip was laying off somewhere. You can use that bark. So I don't even have to chop anything down. Not the driest though, because it's been cold at night. Alright, I had to give up on the this one over here because there was so much moisture in it. And all these were wet. So just experience tells me. It was close down to the ground, it wasn't getting any sunshine, so I gave up on it. I went and got these instead. This was hanging up, and this is up in the air, stuck between two trees. This will be today's. Today's firewood will be this. So I'll get busy hacking up on this, and then I'll proceed to the next step. Okay, so I actually shot the first part of this video about 2 weeks ago, and but I was a little paranoid about lighting it next to a school and getting caught, yada yada. So, but I'm basically going to finish it here, and same principles apply. Now this is my previous fire pit, and I already know what you're thinking, dude. That is like soaking wet. What are you making? What are you doing? Well, I'm going to put a fire lay down on top of this. And I'm going to put my tinder right here, which is going to be a cotton ball with Vaseline. Just going to keep it simple. Cotton ball with Vaseline, and I'm going to start stacking fuel, which I've got behind me, which I'll turn the camera and show you. If it's elevated here, it won't matter if it's wet here, because the heat from this will dry this and turn this into coal. which I've done before and it was successful. So I'm sure many of you are going to be saying to the camera, no way man, you're not going to be able to get a fire going like that. Well, let's find out. This is not totally dry. I hold it to my face and it's not completely dry, but we're just going to have to work with best we can. Like I said, it's wet out here. I got a little fuel here you might see, but that's for a stove. And what I can actually do as well is I can stack a little bit more fuel here like this. This stuff's been split. Stuff falling everywhere. So let me get the tinder and then I'll show you. Split down fuel, stand it up like this so that the fire will start drying that out better. And she's toasting up nicely. I'm kind of just letting the camera run so you guys can see it. See that it's not dying. Even with that wet wood on the bottom. It's still going. Nice. Like I said, a little touch and go there at the beginning, but I actually thought I was going to go out there for a second because she was struggling. And the smoke likes to follow you. Wow, even these limbs are wet. Alright, there we go. Yeah, it wasn't difficult at all. Well, all packed up, heading home, taking the trash with me. You're welcome, mysterious person. As always, I appreciate watching. I'll catch you in the next one. And let me know what you think in the comments. Good, bad, whatever. Peace out.